Mecklenburg County health officials are sounding the alarm about a bacterial infection after eating raw oysters. Now, it comes after a South Carolinian visiting Charlotte likely got sick eating oysters at a bar. Now, the health department says the person caught vibriosis, and that's definitely something to be concerned about.
Yeah, Queen City News anchor Casey Jones is live from Uptown. Casey, how did this even happen?
Well, whether you're eating oysters here in Uptown or anywhere else in the world, there's always a risk. That's why there's that disclaimer at the bottom of the menu. But health officials say your risk is higher when you're eating at a bar.
Freshly shucked, fully dressed, oysters are a delicacy enjoyed by many.
It's a very safe product or we wouldn't be in the business.
Paul Manley with High Tide Hospitality owns several seafood restaurants, including Sea Level in Uptown. They offer a variety of fresh, raw oysters.
When the oyster farmers or growers sell a product, they have to put a tag with that product. And the whole idea of a HACCP plan is to be able to trace back to origin if there's ever any issue with an outbreak of oysters.
Oysters are labeled with tracking numbers showing the origin and date of farming. Tags must be saved for 90 days. But regulations aren't the same across the board. There's a loophole in North Carolina law that allows bars to sell food without inspections. The health department says a South Carolina resident likely got vibriosis, a potentially deadly virus, after eating raw oysters at Fairweather Cocktail and Raw Bar on July 25th. The owner didn't want to go on camera but expressed sympathy for the person who got sick and says as a precaution, the restaurant stopped serving oysters from that supplier immediately.
It's not to discourage people from patronizing those facilities in any way. It's really just information so people are aware that there is an additional risk associated with dining in places that we don't inspect.
Dr. Washington reminds residents of the regular risk when eating raw food, but says health department guidelines help prepare for problems.
And very likely it could not have been at any fault of the bar at all in terms of their handling and service of the oysters, but purely because it's a raw food item that's being served that had something in it when it got to them.
Manley says he only buys from the freshest suppliers and visits the farms himself. He would like to see a leveled playing field for all establishments serving food.
We do to trace to make sure that we have trackable, good, fresh, quality, trustworthy food. But it would be nice if everybody kind of had to play the same game.
So if you're a seafood lover like me, you might be wondering, what do you need to know to stay safe? Manley says, don't be afraid to ask the restaurant where they got those oysters. If they can't tell you, you probably shouldn't eat them. Reporting live from Uptown, Casey Jones, Queen City News.